Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit snap poppers with our green machine. We'll start off by taking a look at the snap popper die. So this is going to be your base die. This is going to hold those open rings. That goes into the bottom of your machine. This is our top die. This is going to get screwed into the top of the machine. That holds your male and your female parts. So we'll screw that in. I have some faux leather here that I'm going to use, and we'll start off by getting our open rings. You can see here it has all the spikes around it. We're going to pop that onto our base die that just sits over the top. I'll take our male piece, which looks like this, and that pushes upwards into the top die. We'll take our faux leather, flip it upside down, put it in between the dies and compress. Should get something that looks like that. We'll take another open ring with all the spikes, put that onto the base die. We'll take our female end and I'm going to have our spikes insert into this end of it. You can see there's space in there for the spikes to go into. It's going to get pushed upwards into the die this way. Again, we'll take our faux leather, I want to keep it upside down, and we're going to compress. So it looks something like that. They should just snap together now. And pull apart. And you're done.